Hi guys, this is Vasu and you're watching Techno. In this video, I am going to show you how to make your WhatsApp messages look bold, and you can also add italics to your messages. And I will show you how to introduce content strike through and also how to change font. Now to create a bold text, go to the symbols and select on this symbol and type your text. After the text, add the symbol again. The message is now in bold. Now select the symbol and type your text and add the symbol again after the text. To get an italic message, now go to the symbol and type your text and add the symbol again after the text. Now to create a line or strike through, select the symbol and add your text followed by the symbol again. To produce a bold italic text, select these two symbols. Now to produce a text which includes all the characters, select these symbols. Now to create a bold strike through text, select the symbols before and after the text. Guys, to create a blue and stylish text, download this app from the Play Store. This app is completely free. Now go to the Play Store and type Fancy Text Generator Pro and click on Install. And click on Install. Now open the app and in the input text empty space, add your text. And various designs appear below. Choose any one of the following and copy. Now go on to the WhatsApp and paste. So this is how you create a bold blue text. Guys, if this video has helped you in any way, make sure to slap on that like button. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome technical videos. If you are a subscriber, I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.